Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the exact assets and tools you need. Place a 1920 x 1080 wallpaper, 1/2 icon set, and any TTF fonts into clearly named folders. Then install the theme editor or APK tool on your PC and enable USB debugging on the Vivo device so you can push builds quickly. Once done, create a manifest template file in your working folder that lists package name, version code, and theme ID. This prevents mismatches later when packaging. Now you assemble the theme structure and configure mappings. Map each icon file to the correct system identifier and resize to required dimensions like 72 x 72 for launcher and 48 x 48 for settings. Edit the manifest to declare supported OS versions and include a preview image so Vivo recognizes the theme. Modify color and font references in the XML or JSON style files. This controls status bar, notifications, and lock screen text. Once configured, build a debug package and load it into an emulator or test device to verify behavior. Finish by compiling the theme into a Vivo or signed app using your toolchain and sign it with your KeepAir or debug certificate. Transfer the file to the device, install it, and apply via the Vivo Themes app to test thoroughly. If elements fail to appear, check manifest mappings first and confirm file names exactly match identifiers. If fonts don't load, ensure they are valid, TTF and supported by the system. Finally, increment version code for updates and repackage after fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.